why I got a short code for you. 3701778. And we hit go. Are you looking for some movies, some TV shows, some live TV and sports on apps that you didn't even know you could get? Let's start off. Hit the magnifying glass. Pull down. In search, we're going to type in a D for downloader. Highlight downloader, one word, click on it. It's this big orange icon. Click on it, get it, download it to your device. So just click. Downloader is going to give us the ability to sideload applications that you can't find in the App Store. Once downloader is done loading, we can click the home button on our remote. Now let's figure out where these apps all went. We go down to the 3 squares plus sign, your apps and games section. These apps end up at the very bottom of our list. Download a 3-line button on our remote, move to the front. And it puts it up in this top line here, which is our shortcuts menu on our home screen. So now that we have these apps up front and center, let's highlight downloader and open it. Yes, allow downloader to access photos, media, and files on our device. Click OK. Now downloader works just like a web browser. We could type in a long URL. But no, I don't want to do that. That's why I got a short code for you. Super easy. Click OK. Click OK. Short code 3701778. And we hit go. Way easier. Now there is a 5-second redirect. Once the page loads, we're going to use our little 3-line button on our remote. We're going to save this page now to our favorite and push save. Anytime you open up downloader or want to get back to this page, we can highlight favorites and boom, right there. Click on it. So let's find the apps for movies, TV shows, live TV, and sports. Come on down. Best movies, TV shows, best apps. Come down. I got 2 great new apps for you. Stream, click on it. Quick and easy download. I didn't jailbreak our Firestick. We don't need to. It's okay. Here, we have settings. We can click on that. Install unknown apps. Highlight. Downloader. Turn it on. Done. Back out once. Back out twice. It'll reopen downloader. And away we go. So, we're going to want to push install. Because it hasn't installed the application yet. Down in the bottom right. Install. Once the installation is complete, down in the bottom right, we'll find done. Highlight done, click on it. And here it gives us the ability to delete the installation file. And yes, confirm the delete. Now it did bring us back to downloaders page. So if you didn't favorite it, or if you did favorite it, just go to the favorites, go back down, and I'll meet you in a second. If you didn't favorite it and you thought, Lee, you're an idiot, that's okay. Here's the code for you, sir. 3701778. And we can highlight go. We can just head down. So we got stream. Now we got T. Movies, live stuff. TV shows, live stuff. You get my drift. Been downloaded. Install on the bottom right. Down on the bottom right, click done. Then we're going to delete the installation file. And yes, confirm the delete. 2 great apps. I got one more for you. Okay. Let's get Cody on here. Down on the bottom right, click install. And once the app's installed, down on the bottom right, highlight done. Delete the installation file, and yes, confirm the delete. Now these apps are downloaded, hit the home button on our remote. And let's go find them. Back to the 3 squares plus sign. Here they are, down at the bottom of our list. We can just 3-line button, move to the front. 3-line button, move to the front. 3-line button, move to the front. All right, and they're up front and center. Let's take a look at Cody. Yes, and click allow. Cody's initial run takes a few moments. Please wait. First thing we want to do, come up to the settings, click on it. Go all the way to system, click on it. Come to add-ons, slide over that way. And then highlight unknown sources and turn it on. And then say yes. And we're good for Cody. Back at 1. File manager. Add source. Enter. We're going to type in HTTPS. And we need a colon. So right now we got a semicolon. So if we go to the shift button, We have a full colon. Click it. We're good. // Got this written out. Please spell it exactly as it's written. Spell it exactly like this, or you might get this error message. Our name, click OK. Back out. Add-ons. Zip. Now, because I screwed it up once, it is part 2. Zip. We are good to go. So now we can go from repository, click, D, click, program, click, chef, click, install, wait. Good. Close. Wait. Would you like to? Yes. Click. Wait. Read. Click. Proceed. Continue. Oh, wait. Wait for a long time. Wait. I'll be back. I just want to say thank you for watching these videos. I appreciate you so much. The comments, the likes, the subscribes. All right, I'm done. But wait. Force close. Okay, done. Ready, set, go. Stream, T, Cody, all there. Downloader for your enjoyment. Happy streaming. Thank you so much. Enjoy. Peace. Are you wondering how to get 3 applications that you've never seen on the Amazon Fire TV Stick? Apps that you can't find in the App Store? Follow along, I'll show you how. Are you looking for movies and TV shows? Are you looking for sports and live TV? Are you looking for all of it in one? Check this out. Follow along. I'll see you on the other side. I'm Lee. I'm here for all your Amazon Fire TV Stick needs, tips, and tricks, and how-tos.